Baby girl has the hiccups. I know, it's not fun. I know, it hurts. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. That's yucky. You all done? Does it feel better? Nope. They're back.
Maybe this is just the date that the ornament was made.